Good morning, brothers and sisters of the Leaf. How are you doing today? Smoking a Perdomo Factory Tour Blend, Connecticut. We're doing a Hawaiian Islands blend from Papa Nicholas Coffee Company. What cigar are you smoking today? You doing having it with your coffee or tea or took my knockout drops last night and about 10 hours later, boom, here I am. I've had the factory tour Connecticut before, but whenever I was testing cigars, it was the first one that was ready to be smoked. A couple of them were close, but I like to try and have the humidity of the cigar between 60 and 65 whenever I smoke it. I'm not a professional, never claimed to be, but I know from my own opinion, that's when they smoke the best. Now, like I said, I've had this Connecticut before, but I find it intriguing that I've not had a bad stick from Perdomo yet. Even sticks that are split and they can do pretty good. A little harder to draw, but the flavor's still there. Pardon me, I had to get the band off the I let the fire take and get to about half inch away from the band and I take the band off. Dang sure don't want to smoke that band and the glue. Hopefully today found you to be well. I know my wife had her cell phone stolen last night. We got a hold of the company, took and had it disabled. Uh, went up and got a new phone, and she's back up and running. But anyway, I felt bad because I felt like it was my fault, but she said it wasn't. But anyway, hopefully today you stay blessed, stay smoky, and we'll see you tomorrow.